or the other way, there are losses. In case of a poor pre-milking routine, we lose. Either we will see that there is a longer milking time, so we lose time, and we will have a longer milking time for more or less the same amount of milk. So I like very much this article that was published by a group in Michigan that was under the guidance of Dr. Erskine, and they actually found that if you have a delay of 30 seconds to 1 minute, so really that gap between the first peak of milk is released, milk that is present if the cow enters the milking parlor, and then the second peak of milk, milk released that was stored in the milk producing cells. If you have that gap, and that gap is 30 seconds to 1 minute, actually 1.5 kilogram less milk is harvested. If that gap is more than 1 minute, then it's 3.5 kilograms less milk that is harvested. So the milk was produced, the milk is stored in the udder, the investment has been made, but the milk cannot be harvested and cannot be used for human consumption. So this is a huge loss, and this has a tremendous impact on the profits on a dairy farm.